Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Tesla rim scratches. First, take a close look at the damage to understand its severity and exact location. Next, thoroughly clean the affected area using a mild soap and water solution, ensuring all dirt and debris are removed. This crucial step helps you accurately determine if the scratch is merely superficial or if it has penetrated deeper into the rim's surface. For minor scratches, begin by gently smoothing any rough edges with a fine grit sandpaper, such as 220 grit. Once the area is prepped, carefully apply a small amount of touch-up paint that perfectly matches your Tesla rim's color. It's best to use several thin coats rather than one thick one. Remember to allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next, ensuring a smooth and durable finish. If you're dealing with deeper gouges, you'll need to use a specialized rim filler to repair the damage. Apply the filler according to the product instructions, then once dry, sand it smooth with a finer 400 grit sandpaper until it's flush with the rim's surface. After cleaning, apply a primer, followed by several thin, even coats of your matching rim paint, allowing adequate drying time between each. To complete the repair and protect your work, apply a clear coat over the painted area. This adds a layer of durability and restores the rim's original shine. Once everything is fully cured, polish the entire rim to seamlessly blend the repaired section with the rest of the wheel, making the scratch virtually disappear. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.